In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive and Notion by embedding or linking your files seamlessly. This is a fantastic way to ensure all your important documents are accessible directly within your Notion workspace, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's begin by opening the Notion page where you want to place the file from your Google Drive. Make sure you're on the correct page to keep your workspace organized and efficient. Now, once you're there, you'll start by typing Embed in the text box. This is a handy command to know because it allows you to incorporate a wide range of content directly into Notion. After you type Embed, a menu will appear, and you'll need to select the Embed option. This step is crucial as it opens up the possibility to integrate content from a variety of external sources right into your Notion page. Next, you'll need to switch over to your Google Drive. Find the file that you intend to embed in your Notion page. It could be a document, a spreadsheet, or a presentation. The choice is yours. Once you've located the file, right-click on it. A menu will pop up in which you should select Get Link. This is the step where you make your file shareable. Within the link sharing settings, look for the option that reads Anyone with the link and ensure it is set to Can View. This step ensures that anyone who accesses your Notion page will be able to see the embedded file without running into permission issues. After setting the visibility, copy the link provided. It's as simple as selecting the link and using the copy function from the context menu or a keyboard shortcut. Now head back to your Notion page where you started this process. Paste the copied link into the embed block that you set up earlier. Notion will process the link and you'll see an embed link button appear. Click it to confirm the action. Your document, spreadsheet, or presentation should now be displayed directly within Notion. This not only saves time by reducing the need to switch between apps, but also helps keep everything you need in one central place. By embedding files this way, Notion acts as a dynamic and comprehensive hub for your projects, enhancing your productivity by keeping everything within arm's reach. So with these steps, you have successfully connected Google Drive to Notion by embedding the file. This integration helps streamline accessing and managing your digital workspace, ensuring you can focus more on your creative tasks and less on the logistical challenges of file management. Enjoy exploring this feature and integrating more of your Google Drive content into your Notion setup.